Every quarter, BSA Solutions comes up with creative ways to boost morale, build camaraderie, while having tons of fun. March 16, 2024, Saturday, we found ourselves traveling up north to the beautiful municipality of Compostela.
Welcome to BSA Brigade 2024!
Hi everybody, my name is Nico and we're here at Cascades Nature Park for the BSA Brigade 2024. Ongoing right now is our team building activity. Check it out. Led by Mr. Jigger Castillon, the team building activities were upbeat, engaging, mind-boggling, physical, yet insightful. Our moderators prepared games and activities for the morning and afternoon sessions, much to the delight of the participants. Communication is key during these sessions. One must be able to foster great relations with each team member. Everyone has to be aligned to one goal and hold each member accountable. Roles within the group dynamic is vital. There has to be a leader, one to stir the pot, a person of authority, one to motivate the team to consistently talk to each other, cooperate and coordinate. At the same time, the team has to buy into the plan. From what we observed, most of the teams who practiced these won the games. The next set of games test the team's ability to gel together and move as one. Some are successful, while others did struggle. Nevertheless, it's never a dull moment. May we direct your attention to Exhibit A.
Right now we are Team BSA.
Team buildings play a crucial role in this professional landscape. Through various activities, one may discover hidden talents, encourage open communication, be able to navigate challenges together, and collaborate effectively. With a shared purpose, the entire experience becomes memorable and promotes a positive work experience. Ultimately, the goal for the team building is for the community to channel all the learnings and apply them to their day-to-day activities in the office, all the way to their interactions with friends and family. The team building activities got everyone to mingle, get along, and learn from each other. Challenge accepted and knocked down one by one. The BSA Virtual Brigade had their fair share of fun too. As you can see, everyone cannot contain the smiles on their faces. This truly was one for the books, and we can't wait for the other surprises BSA Solutions has in the works.